Hey everybody, my name is Brice Wilson, and welcome to my course, Debugging Sites Using Chrome DevTools. I'm a server and client-side web developer. Google Chrome ships with a powerful set of tools to help developers debug websites. There's no more appropriate place to debug your client-side web apps than right in the application where they run. I'll show you how to take advantage of the sophisticated functionality available in Chrome DevTools to help you find and fix bugs faster. Some of the major topics we'll cover include examining and editing the DOM, using the browser console, debugging JavaScript, and viewing network communication. By the end of the course, you'll have a solid understanding of the most useful DevTools features and how to use them to start debugging your own sites. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with the basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, but you certainly don't need to be an expert. I hope you'll join me on this journey to find and fix bugs faster with the Debugging Sites Using Chrome DevTools course at Pluralsight.